If you're looking to reclaim some desk space without breaking the bank, you need to see this. This is the ChonChow TKL Gaming Combo. I'm actually recording my son's hand using the keyboard in real time. My son actually asked me to purchase this for him because he likes the TKL or 10 keyless design. No number pad means way more room for his mouse. He also likes the high key action and the mechanical feel of the keyboard. The rainbow backlight looks great in the dark. You can toggle between static and breathing modes or just adjust the brightness right from the keys. It's simple plug and play and no software is needed. The combo actually comes with a matching RGB mouse and a dedicated mousepad. The mouse has 4 DPI levels up to 3200 and you can switch sensitivity on the fly with this center button. The tracking is smooth and the clicks are crisp. It's compatible with PC, Mac, and even PS5 or Xbox. For a budget-friendly setup upgrade, this combo is a total win.